Welcome to our kitchen oasis. Today I'm going to show you how to make beautifully caramelly butterscotch sauce. In a cold saucepan, you put butter, golden syrup, brown sugar, and cream. You cook this on medium heat and stir constantly using a heat-proof spatula. When the mixture bubbles up like this and thickens slightly, like this, the butterscotch sauce is done. You pour the butterscotch sauce in a sterilized jar and you can keep it in the fridge for a few weeks. It gets thicker when it's chilled, so if you like it runny, you can microwave it for a short while so that it gets runny again. There are many ways that you can use this delicious sauce. Please watch our sticky date pudding video for one great idea. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.